Hey, welcome back for part 2 of the best ways to invest your money and watch it grow. Let's jump right in. 4. Open a certificate of deposit, also known as a CD. Think set it and forget it savings. CDs lock in a fixed rate for a set term, usually higher than a regular savings account. Just know, cashing out early means penalties, unless you pick a no penalty CD. Definitely slightly lower rates, but also more freedom. 5. Buy Series I savings bonds. These are low-risk, government-backed bonds with a rate that's part fixed and part inflation-adjusted. They can be awesome during high inflation, and you can grab them at treasurydirect.gov. Heads up, just know your money's tied up for 5 years. 6. Try investing in REITs. Want real estate returns without unclogging tenant sinks? REITs are publicly traded companies that let you invest in income-generating properties. Think apartments, hotels, data centers. You can purchase shares through a brokerage. When it comes to investing, you don't need a Wall Street corner office to grow your wealth. Pick the moves that fit your vibe, stay consistent, and let your money grow over time.